Hello friends! Today we want to bake a crepe with pizza cheese, less than half an hour. At first, we have to add 2 eggs into the pot. The ingredients that I mentioned in this video is for baking 7 or 8 crepes. Add 50 grams of frying oil to the eggs. It's time to add 10 grams salt to the mixer. And now add 1 liter of milk into the pot. I want to add 750 grams all-purpose flour. Mix them well. Well friends, here is our base batter. Let it rest for 15 minutes. Now, let's go for baking the crepe. If you have a crepe maker, it's better. And if you don't have it, you can bake it in a pan. Melt the butter in a pan and put it on the stove. And widen the paste like this. And after its color changes into gold and makes bubbles like this, turn it over and wait till both sides of your crepe bake. And pour sauces and vegetables on it. Chop sliced pizza cheese and pickled cherry tomatoes as much as you need. Now, add the sliced pizza cheese on a crepe. Then add pickled cherry tomatoes. It's time to add mozzarella pizza cheese to our crepe. The more you add, the better. And add purple basil to the crepe. Its combination with others will taste so delicious. Now, put it in the crepe maker one more time to heat the pizza cheese. You can put it in 200 degrees centigrade in the oven for 1 or 2 minutes. Here is our delicious crepe.